Before alarm clocks were common, some knocker-uppers used blowpipes to shoot small objects, like dried peas, at windows to wake people up. It was a paid profession across industrial England, where punctuality relied on the rhythm of a stranger's knock. There's no spotlight here, no red carpet, just one photo and a face that might stir a memory. Maybe it's the eyes. Maybe the way she holds herself. So, did you recognize her? In the days before radar, strange contraptions like these acoustic headsets were used to detect enemy aircraft. German soldiers in 1917 relied on these oversized ears to pick up distant engine noises, an early attempt to hear danger before it could be seen. This oversized weapon is a punt gun, used in the 19th and early 20th centuries for commercial duck hunting. Too large to fire from the shoulder, it was mounted on boats and could take down dozens of birds in one shot. A practice eventually banned for devastating bird populations. Long before selfies became a global trend, Paul McCartney snapped this mirror self-portrait with a Rolleiflex camera. Taken in 1963 as Beatlemania was taking hold in Britain, the photo captures a rare personal glimpse of a young star just before the world truly caught on. In the 1920s, swimwear laws in the US were strictly enforced. This photo shows a beach patrol officer measuring the distance from a woman's knee to the hem of her swimsuit. If it was deemed too short, she could be fined or even arrested for violating modesty regulations. This eye-catching prototype from the 1960s is the Lambretta Amphi-scooter, designed to ride both on land and water. Though it worked, it was more of a marketing stunt than a practical vehicle. Still, it perfectly captured the era's bold optimism and love for quirky innovation. This 1881 photo from Kakheti, Georgia, shows a man beside a massive clay vessel called a kvevrih. Buried underground, kvevrists have been used for thousands of years to ferment and store wine, a tradition so integral to Georgian culture that it's recognized by UNESCO. In the 1940s, this child from Talybont, Wales, was photographed with the family's unusual pet, a tame fox. Raised by Mr. and Mrs. Gordon Jones, the fox was treated like any household companion, capturing a rare and touching example of trust between wild and human worlds. This 1950s photo from the Soviet Union shows a sanitation worker spraying DDT to combat lice in a private home. Such disinfection campaigns were common during post-war years, aiming to prevent outbreaks of typhus and other diseases linked to poor hygiene conditions. This famous photo shows Wojtek, a Syrian brown bear enlisted by the Polish Second Corps during World War II. Raised by soldiers from cubhood, Wojtek helped carry ammunition and boosted morale. He was officially listed as a soldier and even had a rank and service number. God, please don't let me be normal. That's what she once said, and even in that photo you can feel it. The steady, unshakable gaze belongs to Sigourney Weaver, long before anyone knew her name. She didn't follow trends. She showed up, took her space, and left a mark. From alien battles to seductive cons, she made every role unmistakably her own. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Which photo surprised you the most?